Alright guys, today we are back playing some Off-Road Outlaws, and as you can see here, I have submitted a truck to the car show. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to test this truck and this truck to see which one is better. Alright, so let's start off by getting these to Big River, which is a custom map by Peyton K. Go check it out. Alright, so first off, we are going to get set up in the right position. And we are going to start off with the, I don't know what I'm going to call it, the mud rig, I don't know. So first off, let's do a depth test to see which one can go deeper. Which, I think they both have snorkels. Put this in with it like a realistic depth test. Alright, so let's do this realistically. Alright. So that's probably about as deep as it'll go. Alright, now we're going to take this one because it can go deeper. Yeah, this is one of them. So first off, this is going to go by the way, this is on my truck show thing to Yep. That's why this thing needs a smoke. Might be a new record. We're gonna do a little bit of rock. So let's see what we got. That was bottom off so far. Don't really care though. Booyah. Not a major size difference, but a pretty big size difference. If I can see so myself.